Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are tuning in for the first time, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos and hair videos as well as lifestyle videos on this channel. If any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel down below, right down there. So as you can see for the title, I'm going to be doing a wash and go, another one. So wash and goes have been like my summer hairstyle experimental, especially since we've been quarantining. So I decided to like just do different wash and goes using different products. So I end up using the Ecostyler gel, and you guys going to see how this hairstyle turned out. Honestly, it looks great. I didn't expect it to look great, but anyways, I'm not gonna ramble. Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. So I realized like later on in the clip that I forgot to use my leave-in conditioner, and like I said later on in the video, I did put it on the other side. I was in there running my mouth and literally forgot to put conditioner in. But you guys, I noticed like using the Ecostyler gel, for whatever reason, it was like clumping up, like it wasn't mixing with my shampoo conditioner that I already used for my hair. And even after I used the leave-in conditioner of that same brand, and everything will be down below, my hair was not cooperating. Like it was clumping. Like these results is not what I wanted, just doing my hair. So I was like trying to figure it out, because that hasn't happened in a long time. I remember using Ecostyler a while back on my hair, like on wet hair. That had to be like years ago though. And I understand like textures changed over the years, but I did experience clumping with this product, and I just didn't know why. And I did not test out my products beforehand like I normally do. Y'all, I'm telling you, it was a Sunday night. I was tired. I was just trying to get it done, get my hair washed for work the next day. But yeah, it ended up turning out okay. Like I was kind of upset because I was like, oh, this is about to be a huge fail. Really, it was. I mean, it's okay. But yeah, stay tuned. So for this particular wash and go, I wanted to do a side part. Since I never do a side part style, I'm a middle part girl, so I was like, let me try something different. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm just adding some, it's probably the Ecostyler gel, I cannot remember. But you guys, you can see the whiteness on like my hair, like on the side of my head. Like it was not going as planned. And I was literally in shock, y'all, because Ecostyler has never gave me an issue. So I don't know what was up with her that day. Was it the products I used? But I tried to spray some water on my head, just kind of saturate it a little bit. Maybe the products absorb better. But I don't know, like my hair, I honestly think I need to go ahead and do a clarifying shampoo, because I think my hair is actually just kind of tired and weighed down from other products, and I think it's just time for my hair to be clarified and get all that gunk and junk and all that extra stuff out my head. Alright, so after I put the leave-in on the other side, you guys, I just had a thought to use my olive oil setting lotion, mousse foam or whatever. Yeah, wrapping lotion, I think that's what it is. But yeah, I decided to put that all over my curls to tame some frizz, because I can already see like the frizz happening a mile away. And that's why I'm like, I don't know what went wrong, y'all, with this wash and go. Like, everything went wrong because I feel like the gel products work best with my hair to control frizz, and it just it did not work. And I also coated my hair with some oil, and then later on I did band my hair off camera. I don't know why I did not film that, y'all. I apologize. I will try to find I will try to do a banding video soon. That was like my first time really banding my hair, actually. It came out decent. So now I'm just adding some of the EBIN edge control, trying to spice the hair up a little bit, you know, trying to give her a little something to make her look halfway decent, because again, this is probably like the worst wash and go I've had thus far. Okay guys, so it is the next day. Like, I went to work and everything, came home, so I was gonna fluff it out. So I ended up bending my hair just to test that out on a wash and go, because I never done that. And I just added some oils, and I just took up my blow dryer and just kind of like fluff and shook my hair, you know, try to give it some shape, because she was looking a lot really flat this morning on the way to work. But you know, I didn't care, it was work. But I know I like volume, so I ended up doing the blow dryer. Just, I didn't do the method I did the last time. I just kind of like did like this all over, and just got the fluff. I really like big hair, y'all. I thought this look was gonna be, well, this hair look, I thought it was going to be a fail, because my products was not mixing, and I did not test my products out prior to putting on my hair. So yeah, this went from a fail, you know, to a save. So the girl's excited, and I got a side part. Y'all know, if you know me, you've been on my channel, you know me personally, you know I am a middle part girl. So this side part looking good. Okay, the hair came out really nice. As always, y'all, subscribe to my channel if you have not. Like, comment, share this video with a friend, and as always, like always, I will see you guys in my next video.